Hello, folks. Welcome to Chem 109, Liberal Arts Chemistry. I'm Dr. Patrick Holt, and I will be your instructor in this course. I am the chair and professor of chemistry and physics at Bellarmine, and I've been here since 1993. I've taught a variety of courses, including Chem 109, but also environmental chemistry, general chemistry, physical chemistry, and actually I've also taught first-year seminar courses. I really enjoy teaching. I enjoy the interaction with undergraduates. I did my undergraduate work at a small institution in Maryland, Western Maryland College, a liberal arts institution not unlike Bellarmine. I did my graduate work at Rice University in Houston, Texas, and I did postdoctoral research at the University of Pennsylvania. I am a physical chemist, which means that my interests lie at the boundary between chemistry and physics, which is perfect for this course because we're going to be talking about not just chemistry, but also physics. There's a lot of physics that underlies chemical processes and are very important in our understanding of current issues that are important to all of us. My research interests are in this area of physical chemistry and actually in the area of energetics, which clearly is really important these days as we try to understand energy resources and develop alternative energy resources. I use lasers to actually zap molecules and energize them. And we monitor in our lab through various means what happens to these molecules after they've been energized on a very rapid time scale, something on the order of nanoseconds, which is a billionth of a second. Really, really fast stuff. Why do we care about this? Well, as I mentioned earlier, we are currently in a situation where we need to be developing alternative energy sources. And in order to do that, we really need to understand energetics of molecules, how energy is stored in molecules, how energy is distributed in molecules to really be able to develop new energy sources. So that's basically my interest in these issues. So that means that, we do some really important stuff with lasers, and I can show you just a little illustration of lasers at this point. I'm just going to share my screen here for a second. All right, so there you actually see an illustration, actually a picture of the lasers in my lab as they go shooting around the laboratory table through various optics. So we kind of have fun. It's kind of pretty, but it's also fun and it's interesting as we study these phenomena. So let me talk a little bit about the course and what we're going to be doing. And there will be some additional videos that I will be posting, particularly in the introduction section in Moodle. And I'll be talking a little bit more about the structure of the course and how to access various information through that. But this is an asynchronous online course, which means there are no formal meeting times for the class. I will be posting information in Moodle, assignments and content that you'll need to be working on. I will also be doing laboratory simulations, and there is a special software package called Labster that you'll be given more information on shortly in these other videos about how to access that so you can do some simulated laboratory experiences, again, because it's online. But even though it's asynchronous, I will be trying to meet with each of you at least once per week just to gauge your progress and find out what kinds of questions you have, what kind of challenges you're experiencing as you go through the course. So I do want to have that, what we call synchronous component, where I am meeting with you to discuss those issues. And certainly you should feel free to contact me anytime to ask questions. The best way to do it, obviously you can do it through email, but Teams chat is something that I find to be most useful for having discussions with students, for answering questions, also for online virtual meetings with students. We'll be doing that. So I want you certainly to feel free to do that at any point during the session. If you have any questions at all, I will be free to make arrangements with you to meet with you to to talk about those things. So that's going to be fairly important. I'm going to emphasize that again and again in the various videos I'll be posting throughout the session. Right, so that's kind of where I am right now, and this is kind of what the course is going to be about. So certainly I want you to go ahead and start exploring the Moodle page. But as I post more videos about the kinds of things that we're going to be doing, hopefully things will be clear to you on how we're going to be working through the course. But again, I can't emphasize enough, ask those questions if you got them. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. I hope we can have some fun. I hope you can learn something in this course, because this course is going to be really about exploring and learning how to ask questions and really appreciating science and how it's done. So looking forward to it.